Do you know that? Your employees waste a lot of time assembling terminal strips because they work with paper lists, constantly have to search for information, or aren't sure if they're using the right components. I'm Timo, and today I'll show you the clipx Engineer Assemble software, which lets you solve exactly these assembly challenges efficiently and digitally. clipx Engineer Assemble is a worker assistance software developed specifically for the assembly of terminal strips. It guides the worker step by step through the entire assembly process, including accessories like bridges and markers. In doing so, it only displays the information that is truly relevant at each moment. The software takes the data directly from our engineering tool, clipx Engineer. When combined with your ECAD system, it creates a seamless digital process. And of course, the software also works as a standalone solution, completely independent of ECAD integration. The software shows the worker exactly which components need to be assembled next, including image, position, and quantity. Each step is visually displayed and must be actively confirmed. This way, you avoid mistakes, save search time, and enable even unskilled workers to get up to speed quickly. Thanks to the 3D view, zoom and measurement functions, as well as the progress indicator, you always have a clear overview. And with the integrated marking list, you can print the required labels directly during the process. clipx Engineer Assemble is available as an add-on with a licensing model for the desktop version of clipx Engineer. The software also supports pick-by-light systems, is individually configurable, and significantly streamlines your workflow. Looking for more efficiency? Together, we tailor the software exactly to your requirements for maximum productivity in control cabinet building, because as your digitalization partner, we perfectly combine technology and practical experience.